And I want to point out that in our thrust for the new PCA, the emphasis here is going to be on trying to make this collaboration bite as effectively as possible in the areas where it is most felt. Too often, programs tend to focus on policy interventions in a vacuum without looking at direct benefits to the persons who are most in need. And what we are trying to do now in terms of our orientation at the OECS Commission is to ensure that any programs that we undertake at the sub-regional level have a very strong national component, which also helps to address issues on the ground. Having a very solid empirical basis for decision making is very important. It is critical that we make decisions around child protection issues, around education, around health, not based on anecdotal evidence, but based on what the statistics and the reality actually points to. And if we're able to collect, there's a lot of statistics available. There are a lot of gaps in the statistics, but there's a wealth of statistical information available that we need to mine in a much more effective way to tell us the stories we need to learn in order to target the audiences that we need to reach.
We've been in partnership with the OECS Secretariat, now the Commission, for as long as we've been here and as long as the OECS has been here. But it has been going at an incremental level of increases of partnership and collaboration. But this is the first time that we have tripled. The previous program cooperation agreement was around $300,000 US. In actual implementation, it was a lot more. And realizing that the OECS Commission is a fundamental and critical platform for children to convene, the power of convening that the OECS Commission holds is something that we greatly value. It's the fact that we work in 12 countries and going country by country on each issue can be a challenge. But when you've got the platform to bring leaders together to agree on an integrated approach, that's the power of the Commission. And that's why we value this partnership very much. And the fact that we are tripling our cooperation agreement is testimony to the confidence we have in the Commission in the work that has been doing.